Decisions are made routinely to choose one alternative over another by individuals in everyday life, by engineers on the job, by managers who supervise the activities of others, by corporate presidents who operate a business, and by government officials who work for the public good. Most decisions involve money called capital or capital funds, which is usually limited in amount. The decision of where and how to invest this limited capital is motivated by a primary goal of adding value as future anticipated results of the selected alternative are realized.
Hello, madam. Hello. We have a new case. In this case, we have to use decision analysis to determine the most efficient strategy to install the cable television in the residence hall of Bagna University. In order to enhance the likelihood of acceptance of our model, we have to make an effort to induce the viewpoints and judgment of our senior administrative and the staff members in the development of our decision analysis model. And lastly, we have to show how it is comparing to our current industry practice, the available standards, and also adoption of the new technologies, taking into consideration the simulation, predictive analysis, and also the Industrial Revolution 4.0.
To choose the most efficient strategy for cable TV installation, a step or series need to be done. First, we need to list all of the alternatives that we have. For this case, we have 5 alternatives, which is first by building new cable plant, second is by using existing fiber optic cords, third is by using unshielded twisted pair UTP cable, fourth is by using data network, and lastly is by using web TV. From the alternative listed, we then need to determine the installation cost for each equipment. The cost for each equipment is made based on data given by the finance office. This is the data for the installation cost which has been scaled. The interpretation can be made by making the UTP cable as the reference point. So as an example, we can determine the cost for web TV by multiplying 0.1 with the cost of UTP cable. The third step, we need to estimate the probability value of each alternative. This value is made based on direct consultation with the college stakeholders. There were 2 uncertainties in this process, which is first, the likelihood of success for each alternative, and second is the probability that the alternative will become obsolete. So this table shows the value of the probability estimation. Next, we need to construct a decision tree diagram as a graphical data to ease our decision making process. So this is the decision tree that have been made. Last but not least, we need to calculate the expected monetary value or EMV result for each of the alternatives.
Now we are going to analyze the method that have been discussed before. So basically there are 5 significant steps in order to solve this decision making case study. So the first thing first is we determine the alternative available for this case study. Basically, the reason why we are doing this is to have a lot of choices, and then we will choose the best one by considering various factors such as installation cost, probability estimation, and the EMV, which is expected monetary value. So next we will determine from all the alternatives we have listed, we will determine the installation cost. So next is determination of the probability estimation. So we know that how they solve this case study by direct consultation with the task force members, because they believe that through a thorough discussion they will yield an accurate result. Basically, probability estimation we can get from the event tree also. Listed alternative here, the highest successful installation is by using fiber optics cord, and next is replacing the entire cable plant. And we see that the lowest successful installation is web TV. We are moving to next part, which is decision tree diagram. So basically, what is decision tree diagram? Decision tree is drawn as a graphical display of the decision process. Decision trees are used to analyze more complex problems and to identify an optimal decision strategy. Moreover, It shows the sequential nature of decision problem. We'll move to next part, which is we determine the expected monetary value, which is EMV. So yeah, from the alternative given, we can see that the lowest EMV is the data network. So basically, there are alternatives given. We will choose based on the lowest EMV. The lowest the EMV, the better the choices and the perfect the choices. So from this case study, we will adopt data network as the cable television delivery mode based on the EMV, based on the probability estimation, and the last one is based on the installation cost.
For conclusion, as demonstrated through this application, we can say that decision-making analysis is a powerful approach in communicating uncertainties and advising on the benefits of particular activities. Lastly, this case study also highlights the importance of analytical modeling, in which the process will become a black box for those who will use the result for their benefits.